versus 2 control nga lang oh. We got Icebreakers versus Team Oreo. Let the battle begin. Let's go.
Better light your L, smoke your L, and just kiss the sky. And if you act with disrespect, bust some F. Fight that man die. Yeah, I think it's
Music melody rin sa ako ngayon.
Come on. I came to bring the pain, more hard to the brain.
More.
I burn like acid rain, that ass is flame. These niggas trying to see how I come at your game. Ain't it evident I'm hating in yes. Mess for president, be in hell with gasoline George.
Okay, we got John Gilfo. Icebreakers.
If you ain't fucking with that, you must be celibate. Bad, just a little, got a sack, we can sizzle a little hash in the middle. Where that? In the middle, yup. Mommy, if you got a fat ass, make it jiggle, yup. Put it in my next video shot by Little X. Sending me up, gon' work till there ain't any left. I'm trying to get when I'm working out a penny like say bad. Come on.
Okay, so who's out there?
Do it with your stank ass.
Fresh.
Grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody. If you wanna step to the bar, sip Bacardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on. Charlotte, come on. Queensbridge, Bronx, nigga, come on. Manhattan, come on. Each and every hood, what's happening? Come on. Yeah, real talk, nigga. Let me get at these niggas. Yeah. Now watch me back your shit up. I hope you people
Let's
pull
go.
up and pick up and pack your shit up. Homie, it's time to move.
Okay, we got some good subs. Good subs. Good subs.
Go ahead and babble. You can watch me patiently wait and aim and attack you. Instead, I'ma let one of my bitches slap you. I invite you and your niggas to try it and feel the wrath of the unruly awakening of a sleeping giant. The pressure and
Fresh.
and then you're breathing to stop it totally quiet. Captain on the shit to call me the pilot. I'll leave you and your crew will pull out of me diet. Stop on a nigga. Just like the herd of 1,000 cattle that'll travel over your face and frazzle your shit. Chop you worse than the break and then we torture
Let's
you.
go.
Reppin' and get the steppin', nigga. This shit'll make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody, make you wanna step to the bar, sip a Cardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on. Charlotte, come on. Queensbridge down to Long Island, come on. Bronx, nigga, come on. Manhattan, come on. To each and every hood, what's happening? Come on. Yeah, come on, niggas, listen, let me talk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Hey. 30 seconds. Switch, let's go. Another concept we got right here. Metal! Seconds.
I got you stuck off the realness.
30 seconds. Switch. Last one, Icebreakers. Show me what you got. Yeah. Hey. Six. Oh. Let's go. Garfield, let's go. Hey, make some space.
I've created a monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall
The last showdown.
A little bit of
Final
weed,
round.
some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating. You waited this long to stop debating, cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and
Okay.
I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband's heart problem's complicated. So the FCC won't let me be, or let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on and dip, come on your lips, fuck that, come on your lips,
Come on.
some on your tits.
Last
Get
round.
ready, 'cause this shit's about to get heavy. I just settled all my lawsuits. Fuck you, Devin. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, 'cause we need a little controversy, 'cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, 'cause we need a little controversy, 'cause it feels so empty without me. Little hellions, kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed, the parents still listen to Elvis. They start feeling like prisoners helpless, till someone comes along on a mission and yells, "Bitch!" A visionary, vision is scary, can start a revolution, polluting the airwaves, a rebel. So just let me revel and bask in the fact that I got everyone kissing my ass, and it's a disaster, such a catastrophe for you to see so damn much of my ass. You ask for me, well I'm back. Fiction minutes and I'm tuning in and then I'm gonna enter in up under your skin like a splinter. The center of attention, back for the winner. I'm interesting. The best
nine,
things, wrestling, investing in your kids,
7,
nesting,
6,
testing,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
You sent for me.
Make some noise, y'all. Show some love, show some love. Let's go, show some love. Tunge 2 versus 2, showdown 2.0 ayin takang. Tungin rin. Icebreakers rin tetan awang oh. Team Oreo, let's go. The moment of truth. Y'all ready? Ten.
When I'm rocking the table while he's operating.
Uh-oh. Let's go! Icebreakers!